Okay, on today's episode of Plumbing and Shit, we got some plumbing. We got a leak on the heater. If you could tell over here, that bad boy, she got pregnant and she split. First time to turn on the heat on for the season. I'm gonna try to remove some more of these fins, create some space, get a slip coupling in here. I guess 2 slip couplings and make this repair. So we had cut the pipe out and we made our repair. So there's the first coupling, and that's the second coupling on the bottom there. I'm not sure how well the light looks.
How is it going?
We're done.
Okay.
Assuming that it worked, right?
Yes. It works. There's no other option.
It works. We'll see. So a little wrap up on this. A couple weeks ago, had a split on a Slant Fin Baseboard. I guess the heat was shut off in the winter. New tenant came in, I guess in the spring, late spring, and didn't use the heat. They turned the heat back on here this a couple weeks ago, the beginning of the winter season, and had water pouring out the side of the house. So that was pretty interesting, but not a big deal. Actually a pretty easy repair, pretty quick. This is the split here. So obviously the baseboard pipe is pretty thin gauge stuff. See the hole there, see that? Bada bing. So it just must have been a low spot. Pipes froze, cracked, and when they turned the heat on, it all started to pour out. So that's about it. Pretty easy. Slip couplings, I got a bunch of them, and 1/2 inch and 3/4 soldered this on. I guess if I would have had a pro press with the inside ferrules or whatever they're called to protect the pipe, that would have been even quicker. But drained this out, sweated it, probably took less than 50 minutes or so, and then making sure that you bleed the system, get the pipe, get everything nice and warm. It all worked out. Fortunately, not really great at taking these videos, or I don't have a tripod to take action shots as I'm doing the work. And quite honestly, I just wanted to get in and out of there, get the hell out of there as soon as possible. So that's that. Another fine job by Plumbing and Shit Incorporated. We'll see you on the next one.